On this video, I'm going to show you guys how I usually detail some of these cars that I get in. So let's get started. On this is the solution that I use for to clean and remove stains from the seats or even the carpet. It works pretty well. It does its job. Of course, it doesn't remove like let's say like oil stains. Like if it's really, sometimes it will remove some of it, but if it's really bad, there's pretty much nothing you can kind of, you're gonna have to use something different. In other words, and you're gonna have to scrub, that's for sure. But for normal stains or dirt, messy seats, if somebody spilled something, this stuff works pretty well. So usually what I do is let's see, let me go get it. I'll show you guys how to mix it so that you guys know how to mix it. It's pretty simple. And here, I just use a gallon of water. I usually fill it up to like here, pretty much almost to the top, but you gotta use hot water. Make sure it's hot, because that stuff, I got a little bit left. But hot water, fill it up to about here. And then, I just measured 3 ounces. So I put 3 ounces, I put the line. So you fill up the solution in this bottle for 3 ounces. You fill it with hot water here, and then you put the solution, the 3 ounces, into the gallon. So you just pour it in there, and then it'll fill up to the very tippy top almost. And that's then you just shake up the gallon, and it comes out the way you need it to. As far as I have all my stuff here. As far as like some of the heavier stains, like sometimes I have like magic marker stains, I use this, the Goof Off Pro Strength Remover, and it works pretty well as long as what you want to do is you want to put this on a cloth, and then if it's, let's say there's marker stains on the seat, try to do it under the seat to make sure, because sometimes this stuff will discolor certain upholstery. So what you want to do is you want to test an area where it's not going to be able to be seen. And if it you use it, it doesn't do anything, it dries, then it'll be fine. You can actually use it. So test it on an area that that's not visible, and then actually use it to remove the marker if it doesn't discolor the seat or the carpet or whatever it is that you're doing. Okay. Now, this is the machine I use. This Hoover self-cleaning, spotless carpet and upholstery. I think when I bought it, it was around the $200 range. And yeah, it works pretty well. Basically, it just has suction right here, and then it has this little brush that helps you brush, and then it's got a button down here, this button right here. Once you push it, then it'll actually start cleaning, the fluid will come out of here, and it'll come out like this far, And I have a seat right here. I'll show you guys how it works. I've already poured the solution. My tank is empty. It's empty. Not sure if you guys can see that really well. So it's nice and empty. Just emptied it out. Solution's up to here, and it tells you. You just push this button, and it tells you, you know, large mass. You just fill up to that line. But it's pretty easy to use. Anyways, I have this seat. I'm gonna show you guys. It's pretty dirty, super dirty. Not sure if you can see how dirty it is. See, it's pretty dirty. Yeah, let's try it. So let me turn this on. Let me plug it in first. 1 second, guys. Give me a second. Alright, here we go. You can see how much dirt. You see this stuff right here? It comes out pretty dirty. Yeah. Alright, so let's see how much junk we got out of there. See how black that is? Let's compare it to the clear liquid. Yep. Way different. supposed to look like this. Comes out like this. So it does a good job. If it's really dirty, then I do it, you know, I do several passes to get it as clean as possible. But yeah, that's pretty nasty. It's nasty stuff. I use it on the headliner sometimes. You know, I also use it on the carpet. I use it on the seats. Sometimes I'll even use it on these little cloth things that are on the doors. It works fairly well, like I said. And if it's super dirty, I'll let it dry and I'll hit it up again, and I'll do the best that I can with it. It actually does really good, so I'm happy with it. As you can see, it's not, I mean, it's still a little dirty. I could see it a little bit right here in this area. You can kind of see it right here. So I'll hit it a few more times, but it's much different around here. There used to be like a little line or something of dirt that was right there. So trying to show you the best quality. So I'm gonna do it a few more times. Like I said, sometimes I do it, I have to do it more than just once, but it gets the job done. Yeah, like I said, I bought the machine from Sears. I think it was like 200 bucks or something like that at the time. But yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. Just let me know how I'm doing. I hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, just leave it in the comment area, and then I'll take a look at it.